The night before Ramadan, Mustafa Samur leads the prayer meeting or Tarawih. A Turkish Muslim living in the Philippines for the past 5 years, he prepares for Ramadan with his Muslim brothers in a poor community.
Kung walang Fatiha, diba? It's something like hope.
Mustafa says Ramadan is more vibrant in the Philippines.
I like to be here in Philippines because I love the Filipino culture and I love the Filipino style of life. And of course Muslims here are also more friendly and having more fun in Philippines as well in every section of the society. When I saw the people of Philippines, I say this must be the country that I should stay and I should help people.
The holy month of Ramadan is celebrated by Muslims worldwide. The 8th month of the Muslim lunar calendar, Hijrah. Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. During this season, Muslims abstain from food and water from sunrise to sunset. They also abstain from having evil thoughts and doing evil acts. New convert Ayan Salva says Islam changed his life.
Talaga, naniniwala ako na yung fasting, meron siyang good effects sa sarili. Kasi sa Ramadan naman, ito yung total na pag-renew ng commitment mo sa taas na sa whole year, hindi ka safe sa kasalanan eh. So, ayun, kailangan mong i-wash out na lang siguro yung ganun.
Though he recently underwent an operation, Ayan will still obey the teachings of Muhammad. He will still fast this Ramadan. He is also thankful his family welcomed his conversion. They say he is a changed man.
Kahit pamilya ko, naging okay sila sa pagiging Muslim ko. Kasi usual na nagiging Muslim na mga tao, nire-reject sila ng pamilya nila pagtapos yung nag-revert. So, yung sa akin naman, hindi naman ako na-reject. Medyo pasaya naman yung nanay ko sa akin. Medyo. Kasi, yun na, medyo natigil lahat ng mga vices, ganyan.
Mustafa says Ramadan teaches empathy for the less fortunate, generosity, and charity, the way Muhammad, the last prophet, lived. Mustafa and Ayan pray for Muslims around the world, for the strength and faith to endure the next 30 days. David Lozada, Rappler, Quezon City.